So I'm sharing you very simple Sujok tips. In case you have any symptoms of COVID or you have cold, cough, flu, immediately do these Sujok tips. And these Sujok tips are actually very natural, and we are using seeds. So this is very simple. It doesn't have side effect. So please do it. It will help you to improve your oxygen level. It will help you to, improve your lung situation. So many people are trying this and they are feeling a change. So please do it. I will tell you how to do it. As you know that hand is similar to human body, even if you don't know from common person point of view who doesn't know Sujok, this hand is similar to human body. This is face, yes, below the face is neck, below the neck is the chest, below the chest is abdomen, two legs, two arms. So this hand is very similar to human body. According to this similarity, you will see that here, this is chest. You see face, neck, chest, face, neck, chest. So this is the area in left hand and right hand which is corresponding to the lungs. This is very, very effective in this area. If you massage, yes, if there is lack of breathing, breathlessness, immediately do this kind of massage. If you understand that this is face, yes, this is nose point, yes, you should massage this nicely. Okay, massage this and then downward massage, because inhaling problem, breathlessness, no oxygen level is reducing. So you massage this area nicely. Okay, in case you don't have this probe, then you do manual massage nicely. After massaging, you can take any tool. Yes, only thing is it should not be very sharp, and you can massage this area, front, back, left, right. Okay, so this is the area of lung. If you feel that situation is deteriorating, yes, in that moment, don't give up, keep, continue this massage. And here also you see this point, this area, this is lung. Continue and check all the points one by one. Yes, do this massage many times in a day, and also try to find painful point. Okay, so check. Yes, here in this, if person has problem, definitely he will find some, he or she will find some sharp pain. If you find, it is okay. If you don't find, then also it is okay. You just continue your massage, and then you can paste the seed any area. You see, if the point is more painful than the routine pain, yes, if the pain is very strange and sharp, there you can put mark, and here you can apply the seed. Now this seed is green pea seed. This is yellow color, but you use, if it is, if you have green color, you can use green. But anyway, in emergency, whatever seed you have now, you can just do it. Yes. So wherever you find pain on that point, you can fix these seeds. You can see where is the pain. Yes, it depends. And if you don't have pain, then in several area you can fix this seed, and this will serve you to do pressure also. And then on these seeds, you can continue. You can continue your massage. Yes. And many times a day, you can keep these seeds for 6 hours, 4 hours. Yes. But before doing this seed therapy, you should do massage. And directional massage is very important when there is breathlessness and you're feeling lack of oxygen. And then one seed, you can fix it here. Okay, so this is very important. And not only this, in finger system also, I will show you, in finger system also you have points of lung, and that also you can massage. According to finger therapy, face, chest and abdomen, so all fingers, middle phalange, this is corresponding to your chest area, lung area. So you should massage this area nicely every day, many times in a day. Yes, if you have some situation, even if you don't have any situation, yes, then also it is very important if you can pay attention at least once a time and massage this area. Okay, and then you can fix the seat nicely, massage nicely, and also nose point, from nose to downward direction, this way. And then very good if you apply raw turmeric. See, this is turmeric. Yes, this has medicinal property, and it is very good. You cut this turmeric, and on finger system you can apply like this. Yes, after doing good massage, this has medicinal value also because there is inflammation in the lungs, then you can apply. So you can cut the turmeric according to the shape of the finger. So this is turmeric. With the help of this paper tape, after doing massage, you can fix this like this. In case in this present moment you don't have turmeric, you can use ginger, you can use garlic, and also it is good if you keep trying. Yes, one day turmeric, and second day if you do it garlic, and then you can do ginger like this, because this has medicinal property. This is plant, but this is very good plant for this inflammation. And also in mini system, we have micro points. Yes, these are vital points: lung, heart, spleen, liver. So you can fix these seeds. This is green lentil, hari moong ki dal. Yes, white dot, eye of the seed should touch this area. Okay, so after doing massage, you have to do good massage. Yes, good massage. After doing good massage, should fix the seed like this, cover this area, complete area. So you can keep changing, you can change the finger also here, and then also you can do here. So you see all these points are available. These vital points are available in this area. So you can treat this along with this. So you have main system, and this is finger therapy, and this is mini system, and you can do it. This is very, very, very easy, very easy. And also you can add few more tips. And if patient has coughing symptoms, you should pay attention to this area, because face and neck, so this is throat area, and also focus this joint. Yes, you have to focus this joint. Here you can do black color also. Yes, in this area, black color or blue color, and then massage vigorously this area. Okay, nicely, nicely. Yes, if any throat irritation, throat problem, then you can fix it. You can fix buckwheat seed, you can fix this green lentil like this. So, or black pepper, all these seeds have medicinal value. Okay, medicinal properties. You can arrange seed like this, and also like this you can tie up. And then keep pressing all these seeds. Okay, because these are very simple techniques, and it doesn't have any side effect. So these points are available here, and also these points are available here. So you can keep changing the hand. You have to do something. Don't waste your time. Do something, because this doesn't have side effect. Yes, and then color therapy also you can do. So this color therapy, either this hand or this hand, if you're doing seed therapy on this hand, and your hand is busy, so you can keep do here. So in both hand it is available. So this joint, index finger, this joint, blue color. Okay, this has connection. This color therapy is targeting inflammation and high fever, and this is blue color here, and this has connection with some virus. Yes, so this blue color is here, and this has connection with your immune system. So green color on the immune system. So even if you don't know Sujok therapy, you just follow this. And in right hand also same. So you have to put color around this joint. So see, blue color here, blue here, and green color here. Same thing is available here in this area. Yes, and then you have to keep these seeds. You have to keep pressing all these seeds. Yes, and then don't forget whatever all those tips, social distancing and cleaning hand after few minutes. This is all you know, that you have to maintain all these techniques, and you have to pay attention to your diet, fluids, take rest, and whatever doctor is advising, please do that. Along with all those tips, please add this tips. And then now I want to add one mudra also. In emergency, you can add this mudra also.